she calls me her ball-bearing man. Yeah, baby, got a toolbox, she calls me her ball-bearing man. Yeah, I got to fix that thing every way I can. Now listen, she used to have those old snap-on tools. Yeah, used to have those old snap-on tools. Yeah, when she saw my set was rigid, now we're playing by my rules. Come on, she said, show your socks, baby. Show your socks, baby. Show your socks, baby. Show me how they work, Mr. Toolbox. She said, show your socks, baby. Show your socks, baby. Oh, show your socks, baby. Show me how to work now. We're lying on the creeper and we're working it side by side. Yeah, lying on that creeper working side by side. Yeah, every time she starts my engine, baby, I just got to take